Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create another account on the Stripe. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to our Stripe account. After going to the Stripe account, you will see your email address here, so you have to click on that, and after clicking on that you will get the create a new account option here. So we have to click on the create a new account, and after clicking on this we have to provide the name. Like for example, I'm going to write the name here Safir and Raza, and after that we have to provide our country here. So I'm going to choose this one, and as you can see, for example, I'm going to like the Australia, and then let's click on the create, and after clicking on the create, your account will be created, and you have to provide some details for activating your account. So as you can see, now our account is created, and now we are here. You can manage each and everything here in the same way. You have to change these details, and after changing these details you can also switch your account. You have to click on this, and you can also switch your account. I'm going to this account as well, so you have to click on this and your account will be switched. So in this way you can create a new account. In this way you can switch your accounts on the Stripe. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the multiple accounts on Stripe. So see you guys in the next video.